Good morning, my name is Drielli Viana. I'm a dentist and a master study in medicine and biophotonics at 9 de Julho Universe. My advisor is Professor Rodrigo Labate Marcos, and my research topic is the effect of photobiomodulation therapy combined with carbon material impregnated with silver nanoparticles in the contour repair in a bone lesion model. In Brazil, thousands of osteomuscular surgeries are performed each year. According to the Unified Health System, Brazil is responsible for nearly 208,000 hospitalizations. In the last decade, 307,000 were spent on orthopedic surgical procedures. The speech most fractures processing to proper repair men workdays are lost each year due to the pain's inability to perform their daily activities. With this in mind, the interaction of external agents to accelerate bone repair and control possible infections becomes important, and revelation due to the possibility of ear rehabilitation for these patients. That side is the work. We will present some materials that may serve as substitute for bone grafts. This material includes carbon materials, porous, interconnectivity, a biomaterial characteristic that connects with cells to enhance bone growth, low cost. Silver nanoparticles, ability to prevent bacterial growth, adheres to the cell wall, penetrates the cell membrane, bactericidal. Photobiomodulation, the effectiveness of laser therapy is already proven for pain control and reduction, stimulating cell proliferation, promoting and indication bone repair, and inflammatory action. The question arises: who carbon material combined with silver and irradiated with light have an impact on bone growth? The objective of this work is to evaluate the effect of photobiomodulation therapy associated with carbon material impregnated with silver nanoparticles on the bone repair process in an experimental model of tibial bone injury in rats. Methodology: we start rats 30 animals, 5 animals per group. Model of no critical bone injury in the tibia. Bone defect 1.3 versus 0.5 deep. We will have groups that will receive treatments. Local PBM. Methodology: the animals will be divided in 6 groups. Group 1, control. Group 2, tibial bone defect without treatment. Group 3, tibial bone defect with the use of carbon material. Group 4, tibial bone defect with the use of carbon material plus nanoparticles. Group 5, tibial bone defect with the use of carbon material plus nanoparticles plus laser. Group 6, tibial bone defect with the use of laser. Total of 18 applications, 2000 wiki, euthanasia performance after 30 days. Evaluation criteria to be assessment will include biochemical markers of bone growth, such as ACE phosphatase, alkaline phosphatase, osteocalcin, osteoprogesterone. Morphological evaluations, biopsy, histological the quality of bone tissue, biomechanical evaluation, strength, flexibility, chair. Checklist. The checklist de research involving animals from Universidade 9 de Julho will be used. Thank you. This is my contact in my address, in the phone, in Instagram. Bye.